Introducing the Works Aero Cart, the 8-in-1 tool that makes every load as light as air.
You can carry anything in it, and you can use it for a multitude of things.
Like moving heavy water jugs with ease. And not straining your back moving potted plants.
This actually lightened the load a lot. I can move it around and not have to worry about that.
I can tackle any job that I needed to in my yard or anything like that.
Move anything faster and easier.
Yeah, it's great. It is like magic.
The Works Aero Cart. Make any load as light as air.
Introducing the Milwaukee M12 cordless palm nailer. Get unparalleled portability and performance with the industry's first cordless palm nailer. This innovative tool drives over 100 nails on a single charge and delivers the force needed to drive a 16-penny nail in less than 2 seconds. At nearly half the size of traditional nail guns, this compact nailer goes where others can't. A convenient hand strap increases user comfort and control. This tool features an LED light, a battery fuel gauge, and is compatible with the Red Lithium Compact or XC high-capacity battery for increased productivity. A compact, powerful solution for nailing in tight spaces. The Milwaukee M12 cordless palm nailer, powered by Red Lithium.
Hey, this is Josh here today with the Omni Tool Rack. This is our solution for storing all your tools, your long-handled things, all your gear in your garage, compact on your wall. It consists of a 46-inch track that has holes spaced 1 inch apart so you can adjust all these different attachments. They come with 6 attachments, and then you put them on to the track, slips on, and then you have a pin that secures it. There's 2 types of tracks, 2 types of racks. We have the Max rack and we have the Compact rack. The Max is the one displayed right here, and it has 6 attachments, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and it has 4 that come out 12 inches from the wall. That's where you're getting the Max. This is going to be the maximum storage. 4 that come out 12 inches and 2 that come out 6 inches. The Compact has all ones that only come out 6 inches, and when they're mounted with the track, it comes out 8 inches, keeps it nice and compact to your garage wall so you can get your car in, so you can move past it without hitting things. So choose what you need, either more storage or a nice compact fit. Whatever fits you, you can select that for your needs. So the way it works is you mount the track, and then you have the pin, like I just described there. Put the pin back in. And then here's like one other thing I have, a weed whacker. Pop it up and you're good to go. It works for all kinds of different tools. Each attachment is rated for 50 pounds, so you have plenty of capacity for all kinds of, shovels, rakes, weed whackers, anything you can think of that'll fit. Should be good to go. Storage, organization, get your garage cleaned up.
Introducing a new twist on screwdriving with the all-new Gyro, the world's first motion-activated screwdriver. Black & Decker uses exclusive technology in a new screwdriver for control and ease of use. Grip to activate the light, twist the gyro right to tighten, and left to loosen. The gyro senses your motion for ease of use and complete variable speed control. It uses gyroscopic technology to measure your wrist motion and sends the degree of change to a microprocessor to give you full control of direction and speed with just a simple twist of your wrist. It's a must-have to make household projects quick and easy, especially in tight spaces. Plus, with its 4-volt max lithium-ion battery, it holds a charge up to 18 months, so it's ready to go when you are. Tackle household projects like never before with the all-new gyro screwdriver from Black & Decker. Put your twist on screwdriving. Get one today.
At the top of its class, the B970 packs all the premier features to meet your family's everyday needs. Always stay in touch with home, even while you're away, with built-in Wi-Fi and the industry-leading MyQ app. A tap is all it takes to close the garage door from anywhere, and an instant alert reassures you that it's actually closed. Stand up to extreme weather, from sizzling heat waves to freezing cold spells, with maximum lift power. Even when the power's out, you'll still be able to get in and out thanks to battery backup. For peace and quiet, the extra strong belt drive system is virtually silent and vibration-free. And you'll be able to quickly come and go with Tri-Band Technology's superior remote range. To give your family more ways to access the garage, the B970 comes with convenient accessories right in the box. With our simple how-to videos, it's easy to get everything up and running in no time. For the solution that's got it all, you can't beat the B970.
Ryobi Power Tools introduces the new ONE+ Drain Auger. Clear clog drains easily with the reinforced cable and powerful motor. Lock on the auto feed to drive the 25-foot cable to the clog and break it up, allowing water to flow again. Or for tough clogs, engage the cable clamp. When finished, easily retract the cable by locking on the auto feed reverse. The Ryobi ONE+ Drain Auger, another great addition to the ONE+ system, available exclusively at the Home Depot.
Garden irrigation without bending over, cranking, and dirty hands? No problem with the practical Gardena wall-mounted hose boxes. Just pull out the hose and water. The hose rolls up automatically. Also available with lithium-ion rechargeable battery. The hose rolls up evenly on its own. Can be swiveled by 180 degrees, and of course compatible with all original Gardena system fittings. The Gardena wall-mounted hose boxes. Easy, convenient, and tidy. Gardena.
Tired of raking leaves? Tired of sweeping walkways? Tired of scooping leaves into trash bags by hand? Introducing the 3-in-1 Works Tri-Vac. The Works Tri-Vac is a superior blower, a powerful outdoor vac, and a heavy-duty mulcher all in one tool. With the convenient, easy-to-use Works Tri-Vac, you simply blow the leaves together, flip the switch, then suck them up. It's fast and it's easy. The powerful blade mulches leaves down to just 1/10 their original size. This means that the amount of leaves it used to take to fill 10 garbage bags will now fit in just one. And the best part is, you did all this without ever bending over or getting your hands dirty. With the Works Tri-Vac, you get no touch, no hassle yard cleanup all year round.
So easy you won't want to stop. The Gardena Accu Shears. Blade change without tools. Gardena. Live your garden.
As a carpenter, you love what you do. You take pride in your work. You've already worn out 2 sets of the cheap, foreign home store tool aprons, and now you're ready to get some real tool bags. Occidental Leather has been making tool bags in the USA since 1980. They are the most comfortable, long-lasting, well-designed bags you can buy. We manufacture a variety of designs for the working tradesman, from our all-leather tool belts to our beltless suspension systems. Lefties will be happy to know that we offer left-handed versions, mirror images of our most popular models. Here's a rundown of the types of tool carrying systems we manufacture. One-piece belt worn, This is the tool belt Occidental Leather was founded on, an all-leather one-piece assembly. The Buscadero one-piece design forms to your body, distributing the load evenly, and maximum comfort is enhanced by the sheepskin lining. These, and all our products, are handcrafted for a lifetime of use. Adjust to fit. This unique system features the same wide hip design as our one-piece set, yet gives the carpenter a fully adjustable belt. Constructed of a combination of rugged commercial nylon, high-quality leather, and high-density neoprene padding with extra-wide hip areas. An adjust-to-fit tool belt system can be securely adjusted anywhere from size small to extra large. This allows for the perfect fit no matter how many layers you wear or how many pounds you lose. One tool belt set for all seasons. Component belt worn. Our component systems are great when you desire flexibility and choice. Begin with the foundation, a 3-inch wide belt. Then slide on the tool bags and accessories of your choice. It's easy to swap out components for different jobs. These versatile tool systems offer bags made of leather, nylon, or a leather-nylon combo. We have many belt packages to suit most needs. Belt-free. Sometimes the best belt is no belt. Occidental's belt-free systems are a shoulder-worn method of carrying tools and fasteners that provides even load distribution as an alternative to a hip-worn tool belt. They help distribute the weight evenly across the torso, work great when wearing bulky winter clothes, and keep your tools easily within reach. There is no one system that works in all situations. For example, you might do concrete work one day and trim or cabinet work another. A good, versatile tradesman will have an array of tool carrying methods depending on the job at hand. For more information and a full description of all our tool carrying systems, visit bestbelt.com.